Hi everyone! In today's video, zucchini noodles with baked salmon. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. Zucchini noodles are easy to find at the store, but they are so much better when freshly cut, especially made with a nice sauce made with fresh tomatoes and a nice salmon fillet on top. Too much talking, let's get started. Let's start with the salmon. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees and line a baking tray with parchment paper. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on both sides and some olive oil. Bake until salmon is cooked through, which takes about 12 to 15 minutes. Next, we cut the tomatoes in half. While the salmon bakes, we're going to spiralize the zucchini. In a large skillet, over medium heat, add lemon juice, garlic paste, some olive oil, I'm gonna add some salt, pepper. Now we add the tomatoes. We're gonna cook the tomatoes for about 1 minute. Next, we add the zucchini. Cook the zucchini for about 1 to 2 minutes. And zucchini is done. The salmon is coming out of the oven. Now we're going to plate the zucchini. And the salmon right on top of it. This is such a healthy and light dinner. This final juice here, I'm going to put right on top of the salmon. And voila! Zucchini noodles with baked salmon. Okay, dinner is ready. You see, it's so easy to make. It takes no time to put them together. And the taste, the lemony and garlic taste that we prepare the sauce and cook the zucchini in is gonna match perfectly with this creamy salmon fillet right here. So let's give it a try. Wow. It is delicious. What is not to like in this dish? So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and if you like this dish, please give us a thumbs up, and I see you next time. Bye!